All right, so this is everything that you get. You want to save everything in this box because someday you're going to have to send this back to T-Mobile. So save the box and save all the pieces. I put them all inside. It comes with your power block and your typical, transformer and induction or plug that you plug into the back of it. It comes with your Ethernet, so you can hook this to a router if you want to and, get even stronger signal. On the bottom, you've got all the information that you're going to need. You're going to have to scan it. I'm not going to show it to you, but I just want to show you that that thing is on the back, on the very bottom of it, and you're going to need to scan that. So it's right here is the QR code. So you don't get to see mine because I don't want you scanning mine in there. So let's take another look at this. Reset button, LAN 1, LAN 2, and those are your Ethernet ports. There's a tel, there's your USB-C, there's your on and off, and there's a UPS plug-in. And then over here, we've got power. I'm gonna have to look up UPS because I have no idea what that means. So that's pretty much basically it. It's pretty simple to set up. We just gotta plug it in, turn it on, and bam, Bob's your uncle. We also have to download the app onto our phone, which we're gonna do by just going here and hitting that QR code, and it's gonna tell us exactly what app it is. So you got the Apple Store and you got the Google Play Store, both of those. All right, so let's get this thing rolling. Let's do it. All right, so before you download the app, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and plug this bad boy in, and we're gonna get the power running to it. I'm gonna show you how that works. All right, so anyway, we've gotta plug it in. So I'm gonna bring this over here, set it kind of right next to my computer, and that's where I've gotta put the thing. And we're gonna grab our plug, and we're just gonna go behind the computer here. I'm just gonna plug it into this outlet here, and then drag this baby over. We may move this after time, but I'm gonna do that for now. You can see I've got a lot of cord. I really only need about that much right there. And we'll go ahead and we're gonna plug it in on the very bottom, right down there, right where it says power. That's where we're putting it in. Plug it right in there. It just pushes in. There we go. And up top here, we should see a signal any second. Because, we got to turn it on. I forgot. Got to press that button. So after you plug it in, then you press this. And that's the on button. I guess I could take this stuff off of here. There it goes. Let's twist this so we can see it better. Like that. And this, I think you just pull this off of here. Of course, you can't get to it because it's stuck under there. So it's taken a little bit of time for it to initialize. Let's see if we can get a tool to pull that out of there. And I'm just gonna get under here like this. Pull that off. All right, now we got that off. All right, so anyway, it's initializing. And let's give it a couple seconds, see what happens. Ooh, something's happening. It's blinking. This may take a while. All right, and I think we do want English. Ooh, new messages. Okay, I think if I swipe, I think it moves. Might not. Connection. English. Okay, so we did English, check. English, check. Check. All right, download the T-Moble app. All right, so we got to do that. That's our next thing. All right, let's do that now. All right, so what we're going to do is we've got to scan this. Okay, so to do that, I've got a scanner on here. It's right here. It's a QR code scanner. I put it in my control part of my phone. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to open that up, and then I just have to go there. Bam. That just brings me right where I need to go. And then I've just got to get this. I'm just going to hit get. It's going to ask me to do my double click. I'm going to just hit install. And then I got to sign in. I'm not going to let you guys see. All right, anyway, we have the application. Let's open it. See what comes up here. T-Mobile app. We don't really need this anymore. All right, it says welcome to T-Mobile. And then it says set up device. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click set up device. Taking a while. T-Mobile. I only have 2 bars on my phone. That doesn't give me a lot of encouragement. All right, here we go. So we've got the gray, so let's go gray. All right, a quick question first. On a scale of 1 to 7, how confident are you that you would be able to complete a do-it-yourself project if instructions and materials are provided? I'm very confident. Next. All right, we got to scan a QR code. So anyway, let's read this. Next, you'll be prompted to use your phone's camera to scan a QR code at the bottom of your gateway. Please allow access to your phone's camera scan code. All right, so I'm not going to show you that. I did show you that it was on the bottom of my on the bottom of the gateway. I put my hands over it earlier, but I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so anyway, I'm not going to let you see it. I'm going to just pick it up this way, and the QR code is right on the bottom here. So now I've got to come on my phone, and I got to click scan, and then I'm just going to go, yep, okay. And then I've got to find it here. Well, that was quick. I think I got it. I think. We'll see. Get that thing out of there. So anyway, it's doing this. Whoops, I'm not supposed to. Yeah, I don't think you can see the password on there. Bam, there we go. Okay, here we go. Next, it says, plug your gateway near your window or on an upper floor, wherever the signal is strongest indoors. Press the power button and wait for it to start up. Okay, we did that. All right, wait for gateway to start. Wait at least 2 minutes for your gateway to complete startup. It's doing it. I don't know if it's going to do something on my phone here, but let's take a look on top here. Still not really giving me anything. Download the T-Moble. Yeah, I did that. Got that done. All right, what's going on here? At least 2 minutes. I guess we have to wait for that time to expire. So it's telling us to wait this, it's like, whatever. Next. All right, check gateway status. All right, look at the screen at the top of the gateway. Is an upgrade in progress? Let's take a look. It says, scan QR code with your mobile device. Well, we've already done that, so let's go back. All right, it says, no, you may need to tap. Let's just hit no, because I don't think it is. Connecting to the gateway. Okay. We're connected. I'm not going to show you my password and my other thing, so pull that out of there. All right, it says you're connected. Now that you're connected, you can update your Wi-Fi network name and password. So anyway, you could change this, which I will do, and I can change my password also. And then I just got to hit submit, and bam, that goes in there. So this right here, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use, I'm going to make up my own. I'm going to delete all this, so you guys won't be able to use that because it's not going to work for you. And then I'm going to put in my secret Wi-Fi password there. But that's pretty much it. That says we are connected. And now I'm just going to pull this away. I'm going to change my password, and then you guys can do that same thing to yours. All right, let's check our network and see if it's working. So we're going to look at a device. I'm going to use my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And the first thing you want to do is go to your settings, open that up, and then in settings, you're going to see you have Wi-Fi. So I'm going to click Wi-Fi, and what it should do is it should bring me to all the networks that are available. So I click there, but as you can see, I've got it turned off. So I've got to turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and click it on, and it's going to give us all the networks. Bam, there they are. And check it out. There it is. That's our network. T-Moble, blah, 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 blah. Now you can change this, which I'm going to do, of course. And I'm going to blur all this stuff here. But you can see we're in there and we're working. All right, so that looks good. So it looks like we our gateway's working. So let's get out of that. Let's just check something out. Let's look at this page. Yeah, it's pulling it in pretty good. So that's, I got to say it's working pretty good. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.